Hey there, my name is Mike Hart. I work for Kitchen Mart and I manage the reface department. I'd like to share some information today with you guys about refacing as an option for your remodel project. And we have a lot of great stuff here that we do and I'd like to tell you about it. So why use Kitchen Mart? Kitchen Mart doesn't use subcontractors. With subcontractors, you have no control over the schedule, you have no control over quality. Everything that we do here at Kitchen Mart is in-house. We have the guys and the best guys to do the work that we want done in your home. Our teams are specific. Our tile guys only do tile. Our countertop guys only do countertops. Our refacers reface all day long. That's what makes them so good at what they do. So you might be thinking, is my cabinet or my kitchen a good candidate for refacing? And in my 27 years, there's only been like 2 kitchens or 2 projects that turned out to not be a good candidate. So there's a really good chance your cabinets are perfect for refacing. And if you're using the same layout, maybe even keeping your countertops, you've had those replaced recently, but your cabinets showing a little wear and tear, then refacing is perfect, absolutely perfect. Even homes 30, 40 years old now, they've been built to standards, they've got quality materials, so it's actually kind of silly to throw those cabinets away when they can look as brand new and as good as anything out there on the market using the products that we offer here at Kitchen Mart. There are so many products that we can reface with. We have natural wood veneers for someone that wants the warmth of the beauty of a natural wood product. The thermal foil is a product I really like just because of the durability, and it comes in wood grain finishes as well as solid colors. So here's an example of some of the products we use here. This is a door style. This is a shaker door style, very popular right now. This is actually a thermal foil product. So here's a cherry, beautiful cherry shaker door, also available here. I have an example of our drawer boxes here. Our standard drawer box that we offer is a dovetail hardwood beech drawer box that has the tandem soft close full extension drawer guides, and that comes standard on all of our refacing. And that's why people love refacing. It's half the cost, half the mess, half the time. So one of my favorite questions that I like to educate our customers about is, can we modify or change the existing cabinetry? And absolutely we can. And that's actually one of the things that I enjoy most. I ask them, what do you not like about your kitchen right now? Is it the door swing? Is it the awkward sizes of the drawers? Would you like more storage options? One of my favorite things for ease to access to those cabinets, there's inserts, drawer inserts for storage, spices, those kinds of things. And again, I mentioned earlier the new drawer boxes, those tandem guides. If there's anything in your kitchen you want to perform well, I think it's a drawer box. The drawers open up, they slide out. You want those things to be able to handle some weight and be strong and hold up for a long time. So how long does refacing take? Well, the average reface portion of a project takes about 5 days for the average kitchen. If you were to go to do countertops, which we offer, tile backsplash, any remodeling, can lights, anything like that that we offer for our mini kitchen remodels, then that could take to 2.5 weeks. There's a lot of work, and to get the results that we expect, it takes about 5 days. If you have any more questions, please come down. We have 2 showrooms in the Sacramento area, or you can go to kitchenmart.com, and we have a great website with even more information for you guys.